Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. I'm at the 2929 Wesleyan, and this is their one bedroom model. So I'm walking through and giving you just a really quick overview of it. This is their adorable kitchen. The kitchen is so cute. I love just the warm wood colors here. Some really pretty appliances. Those are Frigidaire appliances, durable, lots of cabinet space, gas range there. That's stunning and really pretty. You've got a really nice, adorable island that's just perfect for two. That's lovely. You have this really attractive, very large living room. You can have a lot of people here. You do have this balcony, so great balcony space. You can pop out and see the city, really catch the city views anytime. When you walk into the bedroom looks like this. That's a king bed, and inside the bedroom also has floor-to-ceiling windows, so you've got plenty of great light just flooding your room all the time. You also have a very full, big bathroom. The bathroom is nice, really huge mirror, and then you have a really nice guest closed off kind of a half area. So this is perfect when you have guests over. The tub is here, and then here is your walk-in closet. So this is an adorable one bedroom. This would be perfect for starting your high-rise living here in the Houston area. Hey, if you're ready to take a tour, what I'd recommend is to send me a request. Just text me, use the number below, text me and say, look, can we do a virtual tour here of this residence? I'd be happy to help. We can set that up as early as today, maybe just a couple hours from now. Just send in the request right now. I'll take care of that for you right away, and it's free always.